Hello everybody, welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to use Patreon as an artist. So let's just begin. First of all, you can see I'm currently onto my dashboard on creator point of view. So we have member and creator. Since you are an artist, you are going to be creator, so of course we need to start developing our profile in that way. If you do not know how to sign into the platform, it is pretty simple. Simply head over to patreon.com, use your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple ID to sign in, and once you do, you will be straight onto this dashboard of creator. Then you simply need to type in here, let's just say you're an artist. You can type in here your artist name or stuff like that. In the username, you can type in here your artist name. Below you can say I'm an artist or simply an artist. So now we need to create some tiers, so you need to head over to your membership and add a tier. Of course, that is going to be providing you different type of plans. So yeah, in the home section you can see we have this option to simply add posts and different kind of content that we can simply publish onto our account that our viewers and audience are going to be watching. So it is pretty simple. Make sure to customize your profile in an artistic manner so it displays a really nice basically attire which is going to be matching to an artist. So that is how it works, and that is how Patreon works. If you have any questions, you can let us know. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you guys in the next one.